for all of the dope interviews and content. Remember, check out 876.com. Black Hustle tell you that the multi-genre killer is doing.
DSG until they read my will. These niggas peel bananas, they ain't peeling steel. See my gorillas go bananas when seal appeal. Nigga try to run out tourists.
What about the Black Hustle?
Man, shit.
Manners and respect, you see me? You don't know the thing set, man. Good for day in the studio, you see me? Yes, I. DSG. Yeah, man, big. Yeah. You know the thing set, man, you see me? But they are going to ask you a couple questions still, you know.
Ready for them? Ready for them with a joy, you know?
Cooler, man. So, how you get the name Black Hustle? How the name Black Hustle come about?
Yeah. Honestly, Black Hustle is a name that come about from the motions and we used to make in the streets. People know me as a hustler. We do so many different business. So really, from the melanin part one and the second part is just from the daily grind. This would have been from like 05. We have the name this. Before that, we have another artist name. The name they come out in the streets by itself because we have flip all type of things and
they also
come out. The also was birthed at that point. So it was a good time for transition name. So we work with the name with the streets.
Within music.
Yeah, man. Musical put that for musical vibes and work with it going forward.
Cool, man.
Yeah, man.
So, couple days ago, you dropped a song, you see me, featuring somebody. You see me, I hold that one there for a while. You see me? Shaq and Kobe.
Quick and fast.
You see me? So,
tag team action.
Yeah. Black Hustle, Cash Capri. What going with the vibe there? The vibe there, kick a bomba thing in there. You see me?
Alright.
Music right now.
That track there is a teaser for what's to come. People know me from a while back.
What's going on.
Yeah, man. People know me from a while back for the remixes, and we slowly use them to build back up with the R&B flip before that to the dancehall track. Then we drop the Shaq and Kobe. This weekend you can most likely look out for something else, and then next weekend the final one. Then you see a post up. But yeah, I definitely a case that's a teaser what to come. We'll also drop one single already off of the upcoming project, which are Money and Power. That track they out right now.
Upcoming project, so basically, I don't want to just jump tonight, so but you don't know, say, the one from before, Alpha.
Yeah, Alpha was a Black Hustle project, a solo project.
But definitely we have to talk about it.
Yeah, man.
We have to talk about it.
Yeah, man.
You see me? Because you do a lot of work, a lot of projects there. You see me? Right now you do some things with Cash Capri, as you say.
Definitely.
You see me? But I say, yo, I did one for this kind of, you know, understand where it come from to where it go. You see me? So I just want to talk about them because simply and then gradually get up there, so you see me?
Yeah, man.
So, on the mixtape there, you see me? Alpha. I don't really remember I catch the phonics still, but
yeah, man. They're not going to find a Black Hustle project
without Cash Capri. See it.
Brian Lara.
Yeah.
Cash left on Brian Lara.
See there. Yeah, man. Maybe check out Brian Lara.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Black Hustle, Cash Capri.
And there's another, shoot, I'm forgetting another track, but he is on another track as well. Along with Kush the Don. Yeah.
Couple months ago, you did do a remix too to another song. What you doing or what is?
Shoot.
Yeah.
Shoot. The remixes, honestly, I just don't want to try to remix them. Alright. So how the remixes even came about, it was a great way to catch practice to become a better engineer. So once I became a fully independent artist, I decided, alright, build a studio. This would have been like 8 years ago. So it was a good way for work on music without heavy detriment.
I see what you're saying.
So I was trying to emulate different mix types. Every song a remix, I was not just trying to kill it as an artist, I was trying to emulate the mix that engineer put on the song.
And the type of music
and the type of music. So Volume 1, they got 12 songs, so it's 12 weeks. I used to do it each week, so 12 weeks, take a break, then the 12 weeks again, and then turn those 12 remixes into a mixtape.
Right.
We went up to Volume 4 and that 4x12 of 48. And since that point, there has been 10 other remixes dropped, and there were remixes dropped before that separately. You feel me? So between those Volume 1 to 4, the Friday remix project, those are 48 remixes. We're about to get another one. As I say, we have 10 remixes.
I work one right
so
now.
2 more weeks.
Something in the oven.
Yeah, after 2 more weeks, that is another playlist. But in terms of actual music out there, the alpha out there,
right?
There's something coming with cash.
Straight up.
I have a couple of artists, R&B artists who were released.
Like music video as well.
Yeah, man. Valentine's Day, we did release something for Shauna Too Cute, an R&B song we write and produce. Super dope vocals. We have more things that come from her. And then we have a female DJ named Chocolate Drugs.
Z.
Like she's our own vibe.
So couple of them people there, couple of them name the way I call right now. You record them, you work with them.
Yeah, man.
You see me? Because
man.
BSG Studios.
BSG Studios.
BSG Studios.
Yeah, man. For those who don't know, there is a differentiation between BSG Studios and Big Split Gang. Yeah, because the thing is, that it used to be just Big Split Gang.
Yeah.
But once from the client side, my contracts then would start get corporate at one point where I work with universities and corporations and all type of stuff.
Yeah, right.
Even though I was the only person that could accomplish a lot of the things they wanted to.
But you want something that can represent.
I saw where the brand was distasteful to some of these type of folks.
I can't oversay.
We're like, all right.
876MUZIK.
Yeah. So Big Split Gang is the record label. BSG Studios is the production company. So all client projects are through BSG Studios. So music videos, ads, vocals, it's about graphics, websites, the full line of package.
Media house.
Yeah, BSG Studios. Right now, them can go bsgstudios.bigsplitgang.com and see a overview of that. Can also go bigsplitgang.com as well as shop.bigsplitgang.com for the merch. So
check out what going on. Hear that, people?
Yeah.
Yes, right. Man, drop in at the night. You see
Shameless plug.
Yeah, so tell me who you don't want to work with in the future, or who you don't want to work with like right now, or you just to work with like who you.
Alright, honestly, I just want to build my artist and myself right now.
Alright.
I have a rasta in terms of if you talk about dream collaborations.
Right. Like, basically, that I should have said.
From history.
Because it's like man say, yo,
Dead or Alive.
Alright. I'm not so sure. Everybody would really want to do a song with somebody who them inspired, like say me and say, yo, Bob Marley inspired me, but Bob Marley did already, so I can't do a song with him again. But yeah.
Listen. To the trustees of the Michael Jackson Foundation, who is ever in charge of the estate, if there are unreleased vocals over there that need a little Jamaican,
send them to Big Split.
You see me?
Straight.
I'm here.
Black also work on it.
Send the Michael Jackson vocals.
Straight up.
You feel me? Outside of that,
like focus right now.
Outside of that, no cap. As a business, we also do collaborations out of whatever we feel complement what we are doing, both from an aesthetic, a sonic perspective, and also smart networking.
Right.
If I have a market and that person have a market and we're able to share that, or I'm able to add value to that person in some way where
they can add value.
Likewise, there's nothing wrong with a fair exchange in that way.
And business wise.
all even my business relationships, I try set them away for them. This a fear that them turn out to be long-term relationships regardless.
Cool no man.
If you not like short-term business.
No, within a music.
Yeah, man.
Music long-term.
Yeah,
You see
man.
me? Regardless if you have enemies or them that say, yo, you see me? You have beef with somebody like a bounty killer and we name the Beanie Man. Them did have beef for many years, you see me? But here we are going. 876 Music. But just a collaborate a lot of things one time because see, you as a person, whole heap of caliber. You see me? As a creative, I now say you limit or you should limit yourself, but you don't show say, oh, I just want to stay right this and just do this, or I just want to over the side and just do this. Whatever come to you, you just accomplish it, you see me?
Yeah,
I'm rate that, you see me?
Appreciate it.
Yeah,
I'm
man,
glad you use that word there as
Caliber.
identifying me.
Caliber.
No, identifying me as a creative. I'm gonna tell people all the while, even calling me an artist feel like a limitation at this point.
Because in my head, me that thing say, yo, hold on now, mother say, know him Black Hustle, but know him from hip hop. Because me as a 876 Music person, interviewer, you see me, personnel, all these things, you see me. Yeah, me dey in the streets and mostly hip hop things me deal with, you see me. And I search for them Jamaican hip hop people, you see me.
Yeah, man, that's
you do
niche home base at the end of the day.
But for no say, yo, yeah, the motherland dancehall, the motherland reggae, you dabbling in that too.
Yeah,
you see
man.
me?
At this point, it is a go past dabbling. It used to be dabbling. At this point, the lines are blurred.
You're not trying.
The lines are blurred, and we just do whatever the creative mind tell we, whether it be from a sonic perspective, from a visual perspective, whether it be the case of just passing on an idea to the person who I feel it can be executed true.
Right. Yeah, true.
You
Yes,
feel me? I like see things come to fruition. I like see manifestation.
Yes.
So whatever it takes to put the pieces together to make that puzzle there, the perfect puzzle, like that way I did it.
Cool no man, cool
Yeah,
no
man. That's
Let's see
the
you're passionate
mantra.
do where I do stars, you me? One at a time, them I dropping out the studio. Couple times I dropping out the studio.
Yeah,
For real. Couple times I dropping out the studio, man. But see how you work the thing, you see me? And
I appreciate it, eh?
God know, you see me? Because some people, them not really, them believe in themselves, but them need other people to say, oh, you listen to my song them? You see my video them? You see me? You have to have that self, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Alright.
Self-motivation.
That probably come from my mother. Give her thanks, God.
Straight up.
Alright, you know, people say
Self-praise.
Self-praise is no recommendation. My mother flipped that and said self-praise are the first recommendation.
Yeah.
Yeah, my mother from like 6, 7 years old tell me that shit.
Right,
like,
man.
if you don't believe you can do it and I say you can do it, or you can't wait for somebody to speak up for you. You have to be walking evidence of your greatness.
Straight up.
Yeah, man. So when I walk within our greatness now, when I create the things that were necessary for people, see what we're capable of, but believe me, there's so much more to come because there's even elements that give back thanks to my mother. People are asking for double back into poetry.
Yeah.
Which for tell the honest truth from a creative aspect, I'm not write anything in a while, but if you talk about the feel of creation where we probably have the most success in the least amount of time, it was while doing poetry.
Yeah.
You feel me? Like with the poetry for literally 10 months. From start of writing my first poem to leaving out of poetry for start the foundation of BSG and go back into music. What poetry also did for me, it made me fall back in love with the stage and performing.
Right.
It made my voice more powerful.
Right. Expression.
The thing is, when you end up on stage where your voice are the only instruments and that are the only thing it will take to control the crowd.
True.
That are the only thing we have to take.
Right.
And for calm down a drunk white man in the back when them some drunk Irish people while them at talk loud or whichever the case, like, can you be able to make everybody turn their head?
Yeah, this voice grab everybody's attention.
Yes, so that it put me in that element there.
I was speak. You see me? Yeah.
Pull people out of whichever reality them in, right, and bring them to mind. And that was the foundation of reshaping me as an artist.
Cool, man.
Because it showed me the power of the voice. But people are begging me, not even us, begging me for me like that.
But yeah, to me, I still do it. You just do it in a musical form.
Yeah, man. But tell people though, with the poetry, when I write poetry, the most I ordain every poem out of me. Yeah. Just a vessel, like literally my hand them will move when it comes to them. Because if you notice, the content when we do that is a total different thing from everything else when we create. That's literally when we become a tool for the most high, and whatever insect goes, and we just become the instrument of manifestation. Yeah, man. That's why enough of the time, like me become scared of my own poetry. Because the things them way to do for me so fast and the light way to put me in, I'm gonna see myself in that light.
See,
when people start, you ever watch the movie Eddie Murphy Guru when he was the guru, and them have him tight head, like him, them literally take him for a guru, but have him on a shopping network, and him there to find back himself. It's like a case of people, society people, regular people start look for me in this life like my holier than thou, and really and truly me I still say hustle. Still love the crazy wild shit what I love.
I can offer say, and but you know I can put it to another movie because yeah, I rate Eddie Murphy, but as you never call the movie name, but here we go on. The one named 7 Pounds, and the one that have him we name the brother there. Anyway,
like a Will Smith.
Will Smith there, like, you see me? But basically, I'm gonna take on like the pressures of the world, or them tell him say him could have. You see me? And him try, and then him realize him couldn't. Him have to be himself eventually.
Yeah, man. But this is the case of them thing that this is a way you know them usually tell you to separate the artist from the art. That was a part of my art when I have to separate from the entire entity of myself. You feel me? Because at that point, even me never know the power of what I say. Like the extent of the power of what I say.
I can't understand the caliber.
So when me as a dude, I still do some wild shit occasionally. But somebody has to look for me holier than a pastor, holier than like at the next coming or something, like that's scary. Because now you have expectations.
Yeah.
That's something was scary in themselves. Like that crack enough kids from them young, especially gifted kids. But when you put it on a level now where it's not just an expectation of a family or a community. This is now an expectation almost from the Most High, because the people see it as the direct manifestation of the tool of the Most High. So now you have to be careful.
Extra careful.
And was that really me? Or did the Most High just use me as a tool to say these words and make the people them experience them and do with them as well them need to, you see me?
Righteous. Like for example, as me that say not too long, Bob Marley, I hold him to high regards, you see me? You know? Them man they talk about some things in music and it's like we still live it today, you see me? And them man they dead from Wappy Kill film.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
You know, big up to the Marley family, but you don't know, you see me? I just say things that you see me. That's me I say with great power come great responsibility. Because not because I have poet or music or something of arts. May I show somebody or may I deliver to somebody. You see me? Be careful the way you use it.
Yeah, man.
Because may I say, I mean make it, but me and I God. You get me? I say, I mean I make more.
Aren't
me not stop this.
Hold on. Aren't you at that?
Right. Yes, I. Right.
Bro, in his image. Yes. You have the capital G and the command G.
Rastafari.
Isn't it?
Yes, I.
With the crown playing Eddie, no.
Yes, I.
Walking elements. I am that I am.
Straight.
Within every element, organic element, is the Most High. Is the manifestation of the Most High, sir.
Straight up.
Even, I tell people as much as I don't necessarily call myself a Rasta, I'm probably the most Afrocentric person most people have ever come across. And all our traditions, them I believe in.
Right, because it contradict yourself, but me I got this kind
No,
of. Hold on. Couple hours ago, I watch a footage. You, couple years ago. Now find no locks, no precept. You see me? No, no whole heap of hair. You see me? And you still a preach goodness, and you did a still say certain things, as in.
Because at the end of the day,
Rastafari, or you see me? Me think you did say something more Rasta still in there. You see me? But and then again, the bandsman them as a bomba hip hop artist. I rate that.
Yeah, man.
You see me, Amanda afraid and say, yo, you need him rhythm right now. No. If not gonna sing, if not gonna.
Whatever the case may be, because we're still Jamaican and we're the originators of MCing. So at the end of the day, when it comes to throwing on that, we don't need the instrumental, give me a version.
No.
That's where our roots come from.
True.
The same place where the origins of hip hop come from, or the origins of dancehall that are reggae. And reggae are the grandfather of every genre come after it. Ska come before, yeah. Everything after reggae built off of reggae around the world.
Straight up.
Sampling, give thanks to Lee Scratch and all of the pioneer them.
Scratch, big up yourself.
Invent yourself one of the main two we create hip hop, EDM, nearly every genre. Overdubbing, another thing we create at the Stanley Motor Studio back in the 70s, early 70s. The first time people record vocals without the bands behind them. Creating an actual instrumental version. Jamaica, all of this invent.
Right.
All of these are things that go on.
Scratch already and things in there. See me? True, man.
Bro, this is why them celebrate Scratch worldwide, because we don't know the power we do for the world of this small little place where them say own 3.5 million, but really another probably 7 million Jamaican outside of the country living around the world. Probably more than that. This place is the smallest, most influential place on earth. This is the connection of the east to the west.
A sample, the thunderclap.
Yes, if
I run go back in and go to a studio.
Bro,
I say, yo, tweak this thing up.
At the home of everything. So when people there tell me about the limitations of what I can do because I'm a Jamaican, there is nothing I can do because I'm a Jamaican.
Straight up.
We are the boss of innovation. Yeah. We create, recreate, like
and innovate.
Alright. when racism they are going in a Jamaica itself. And we get the first two sound systems. No, enough people get it twisted. We never invent the selector, but we invent the sound system,
right?
Which go on for what we use to create the block party, which is another foundation of hip hop. You feel me? The sound system created for the regular people connecting at the streets for real music for connect because before that, the actual halls where they used to keep. The only black people them in there was the bandsman and the servant them and a Jamaica we talk about.
True.
I sit down and listen to enough of my elders them were in this like going right back in the music.
You have to go watch back on the roots movie them.
Yes, right in a Jamaica. Listen, this is the connection from the east to the west. From slavery days are the first spot in the west we discovered. If you notice, even the embassy of Jamaica are more protected than embassies in our war countries. This is a hub at the main port where accessible to the east and the west, so every ship connects through this.
Right, that's
this is a place where have more powers than people can imagine. And it's a manifestation of all of that. All of that culture there, out of many one people, all of that culture that will come from the east and come for pass on to the west and likewise. There's a manifestation of all of that hip hop, dancehall, poetry, Afrobeat, everything will burn through and off of this and me. And that's what people have the experience when they get Black Hustle at all times.
Straight up.
Yeah, man. Don't have no expectations more than greatness.
Greatness from Black Hustle. So,
yeah, man.
What the future for Black Hustle right now? Tell me where they want for the right now.
In the short term, Alpha 2 is on the way.
Yes.
On the short term, Dark Money / Black Cash. Look out for that as well on the way. You feel me? Separate and apart from that, we have projects, couple singles that come, dancehall singles, rap singles separately from myself, from Chocolate Drugs, Shauna Too Cute, you feel me? A few other artists in the lineup same way. Just a push that at the near field future. A whole lot of music, a whole lot of content. We bring back a few of the shows people remember. Let's Get Loud show and Arts Back Feed. So a lot of content for the near future that we can give them. There's a whole heap past that, but for the near future, expect content, expect music like craziness.
Yeah man, give me some shout out to some people, you see me? Or give me some shout out to some of them people that I work with, you see me?
It's a wide range of people, but we have to start with big up the most side first. You see me? Shout out mommy and Chris again. And the whole family, my kids that keep me inspired, my pops, my brother over in Japan with handling my first camera from the start, shooting video as my little brother. You feel me? But shout out even people like Chris wake up this laptop where help restart. Shout out people from the foundations and people where build the thing now, like wife and all Cam. She had grind behind the scenes from a whole heap of the admin side. Shout out people like Lando where help execute the vision, then you see me. Shout out people like Rollo where also help execute the vision. Shout out ones that keep this, keep one's balance mentally in a life different. Shout out Cash and Cap and K-Sean, the 3K, them KKK. But them niggas, they fly the flag high for BSG, going more, took me down the drone more time and work on whatever is next to me. Them ones that keep the BSG name outside scene with, you feel me? In fact, we have a song that come where I shout out everybody and other ones as well. Shout out Shauna Too Cute, shout out Chocolate Drugs as myself, my artists them. We have some other female artists when we work with as well, we speak. A few other people, music will come, a ton of music will come. But the record itself, we name the shout out, we big up all of these people are forward as well. Real soon.
Straight.
Yeah man.
Yo, Black Hustle, give thanks and big up still in there, you see me? Don't know the things that, you see me?
Yeah,
respect for being at 876MUZIK, you see me? But just want to let the people them with a freestyle or one of them songs there, you see me? Right now, I give you the floor and know say, yo, do your thing.
Alright.
Drop it, me down.
Your BM in my DM, and she just want some D, nigga. What you think gon' happen when she pull up on the real nigga? The worst case, she find one like me, nigga. Don't try to run up, I will shoot you like a 3, nigga. Why do you think I ain't gon' ball? I'm on a 3-way, ain't no car. I got 2 bad bitches right now, one sucking my dick, one licking my balls. Yeah, I get them wet like Duns River. They met me and cut the niggas off. What you think a nigga like me do? Test them both, then go in and roll. I don't do this for hype. She said she don't love guys, but I got my dick in a dike. She was so tight, I might just let a bitch stay for the night. Oh my God, this bitch can't die. Can you believe that pussy on slip and slide like? She fuck with my wave though. I put the pussy on fuego. Bustin' a nut, you a halo. Before she met me, she was an angel. She got her hands on my club. I say you ain't my caddy. She say no nigga, but you my daddy.
You beat everyone, DMAC just want some dick.
That's a part 2 I played enough. Yeah, man.
PS
I got new Rolex with the tourbillon. Now show some me tourbillon. The globe next up on the moon. Lock the universe, watch the young balloon. And back in July, back to June. And the cartoon we shot like harpoon. One day, the road we gon' run it. My life, so now we don't sun it. Give thanks to Jacka, we gon' run it. Even when we have no money. When we pull up on the plaza, smell like Zaza. Things looking like Cha-Cha, feel the pattern. They know a bird, them I said the star one. And the gold joystick R1. Your whole like green jack cars are done. There's no one now, wait till the garland. One bourbon, then the whole bar gone. Yeah, gonna wear silly dream, be no far from. Move up shoes covered in a moon dust. This is me go, when they call me Papi Chulo. So much rush, me could never be a tumor. I'm in the inner more gal mouth than rumor. Read them, I'll make them push like sumo. And okay, walk like a boomer. Bad mind man, people make that straight over and buy a new Ruger, buy a few shooter. One day, the road we gon' run it. My life, to know money. Give thanks to Jack, we don't for me. Even when we have no money, when we pull up on the plaza, smell like Zaza, things looking like Cha-Cha for the back hand. I'm the bird and my sensor band. Say the gold joystick R1, have power like Ranger, call bar down, then the man might know. Wait till the car land, then the whole bar gone. We're silly dreaming up our from. On the plaza, smell like Zaza, things looking like Cha-Cha for the dark hand. Bird next to the Sarpan, get the gold joystick R1, power like Ranger, call bar down, then the back might know. Wait till the car land, then the whole bar gone. We're silly dreaming of our from. Pull up on the plaza, smell like Zaza. Gaja, Gagan, Birth, Star Record, Joystick R1, calls are done.
Then Black us the BSG on most socials, IG, on YouTube, on most of the socials. Outside of that, on TikTok, our official Black Us me. Check out the website. It's bigspliffgang.com, shop.bigspliffgang.com, bsgstudios.bigspliffgang.com. You feel me? A one chop. You can find me anywhere outside of that. And then know 876music.com for all of the dope interviews and content. Remember, check out 876.com. Like us to tell you that multi-genre killer, you see me? Upful. Keep it upful.
BSG. Stay smoking that sour. Rose Cliff so big it's looking like the Eiffel Tower. A superhero, but sometimes I don't like my power.